Good morning. Last class we were doing this type questions. Find the zeros and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So last class we were doing exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Now we have to start fourth bit. Find the zeros and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay. See the third question. Fourth question. Yes. 4x square plus 8x. So the question you understand now. First we have to find out the zeros and then verify it, the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay. So first we take this is equal to 0 to find out the zeros first. So we take this is equal to 0, 4x common, x plus 2. So 4x is 0, x plus 2 is 0. So x is equal to 0 by 4, 0, x is minus 2. So please see, when one quadratic polynomial is given which is incomplete, we say that this is the complete polynomial, complete quadratic polynomial. If suppose this is given, we apply that method, splitting the middle term method, right? But here only two terms are there. So how you get zeros? We take common. What is common? 4x common. So x left, 4 to the 8, x is common. So this will be 0 or this will be 0. So we get two answers. We get two zeros, 0 or minus 2. These are the zeros we got. After getting the zeros, what we do now? We find out sum of zeros. What is sum of zeros? 0 plus minus 2. So 0 plus minus 2, minus 2, because plus into minus minus. I got the sum. Then product of zeros. 0 into minus 2. What is 0 into minus 2? 0. So I got sum, product. Now we do the verification. Okay. Last video you checked, we have done all this type questions. How we find verification? Please see. 4x square plus 8x. Actually the polynomial should be like this: x square, x and number. X square, x and number. Here number is not there, you take 0. Understand? X square, x and number is not there, you take 0. What ABC here? A4, B8, C0. You know these are called coefficients. 4, 8, 0. Now what is the formula for sum of zeros, please? How you verify it? Minus b by a. Formula for sum of zeros. Minus b by a, minus 8 by 4. 4 2's are cut. So I got minus 2. Is verified? Please check. Sum is correct. Now what is product? Product of zeros. What is the formula, please? Product of zeros. C by a. What is C here? 0, A, B, C. C is 0. 0 by 4. 0 is correct. So hence verified. So you know that this way we verified. So this was the fourth question. Now I am doing that fifth question also. Fifth question. It is given t square minus 15. So actually here it should be given x square minus 15, but no matter. T square, last question was also like this. 4u square plus 8u actually. So it can be given u or x or s or t or z, any variable. Method will be same only. Yes. So the next question, fifth question, same heading. Find the zeros and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay. So first we take what? This is equal to 0. See, this is again incomplete. Only two terms are there. When only two terms are there, what we do? We take common. But here no chance to take common. So please see, what is the idea? Minus 15 transfer there, plus 15. T square is equal to 15, so t is equal to square, we transfer there. Root 15 plus or minus. You should know that whenever x square is equal to 9 comes, x is equal to you transfer square here, it becomes root 9 plus or minus. So we take two signs. Whenever shift the square, it becomes plus minus root. Plus minus root 9 is 3. So it means there are two answers. Why like that, Because 3 square will be 9. 3 square will be 9. Even minus 3 square also 9 only. Minus 3 square, minus 3 into minus 3 is 9 only. That's why you get two answers. So minus 15 shift there, plus 15. Square shift there, root, plus minus. I got two answers, root 15 minus root 15. Yes. These are called zeros. Zeros are this and this. Now what we do? We find the sum of the zeros. Sum of zeros, minus 15 plus 15. Cut. 0 I got. Now product of zeros. So first we find sum, then we find product. Yes, product of zeros. Root 15 into root 15, 15. So I got sum, product. Now verification please. Verification. Yes. What is a polynomial? T square. See, after t square, after x square, x should be there and number should be there. After t square, t is not there, 0t, like this. T square, 0t, 15. Now write the values, ABC. What ABC values? A is 1, B is 0, C is 15. Yes. A is 1, B is 0, C is 15. Now what is the formula for sum of zeros? Verification. Minus B by A. What is B? 0. A is 1. 0 by anything? 0. Is correct. Verified. Sum is 0. Correct. Product is what? C by A. What is C here? Minus 15. What is A here? 1. 15 by 1, 15 is correct. So is verified. Both verified. You write hence verified. Finished. So this is the way to do this question. Yes. Now I am doing that last bit also from textbook. 3x square. Yes. This is the last question of that first question. See, find the zeros and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So first we find out zeros. So first we take what? This is equal to 0, we take first. Now you know when it is complete quadratic, the method is there. Split. Last video you can check. Video 4 we have done this type questions. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. We find out the factors. I have to get center what? 1. 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 4 minus 3 1. See, center is 1. This is minus, this is plus. Minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. Minus 4x plus 3x. So what is common? Because minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, middle term. This is called splitting the middle term method. Okay, x common, 3x minus 4, 1 common, these two x common, these two what common? 1 common. into 3x, 3x, 1 into 4, 4. This is same. One factor, this is other factor. Now 3x minus 4 is 0, x plus 1 is 0, correct? First is 0, second is 0, plus 4, 4 by 3, minus 1, so I got zeros, minus 1 and 4 by 3. So after getting the zeros, what we do please? We find out sum of zeros. Sum of zeros, so this plus this, 1 by 1, 4 by 3, minus 1 by 1, into 3 into 3. 3 is LCM. 4 minus 3, 1 by 3. I got sum of zeros. Now product. Product of zeros. So 1 into 3. 1 into 4 by 3. How much? 4 by 3. So we got sum, product. Now verification. Okay? Verification. Yes. What is the formula for sum of zeros? But before verification, what is the polynomial? See, this is a polynomial. What ABC are? A is 3, B is minus 1, C is minus 4. Coefficient A, B, C. What is the formula for sum of zeros? Minus B by A. B is minus 1, A is 3. So minus minus plus 1 by 3 is correct. Please check. 1 by 3, 1 by 3, sum is correct. Verified. Now product. So product of zeros is formula. Product of zeros is C by A. What is C here? 4. What is A here? 3. Please check. Correct. So finding zeros, after that find the sum, product and verify. So this is a method. It's important question. So you take some practice questions for this type. Yes, these are practice questions. Find the zeros, same heading, and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay? Yes. Okay? So these questions for practice. Now see, what is a new thing we have to do? Question number 2. First question completed. What is there in question number 2? Yes. Find a quadratic polynomial. Question 2 is this. Find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers. Each with the given numbers as sum and product of its zeros and sum and product of its zeros. Yes, first bit. You understand the question? See, please say this point. Take a note, please. Suppose a polynomial is given. You know that how to get its zeros. So I get 2 zeros. It's 2 zeros, I get this. Minus 2 and minus 3 are its zeros. So you know the method how to find zeros. So when polynomial is given, you know how to find zeros. Now the question is what? Suppose zeros are given and you want to know its polynomial. if zeros are given, how you get its polynomial? Opposite. So now opposite question. So we have a formula for that. A quadratic polynomial whose zeros are given will be what, you know? Direct formula is there, k into x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product, where k is what? Is some real number. K is some real number. So what is the formula? When zeros are given, how you find out the polynomial? K into x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. See, this question is same. You see the question. Find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as these given numbers. This is sum and this is product. So this question what is given, you know? This question what is given, please see. Sum of zeros given according to the question 1 by 4. Product of zeros given. Sum of zeros this. Product of zeros this. Then asking what is the polynomial. So we know this formula. K into x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product. So when sum of zeros given, product of zeros given, what we do? Direct. Required polynomial is, yes, required polynomial is, this is the formula, k into x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product. Okay, so direct formula. What is sum of zeros given here? 1 by 4 x. See, sometimes instead of this, you know, here sum of zeros and product of zeros given. Suppose in the question it can be given that whose zeros are given. Whose zeros are given. Those questions not given in textbook, but we'll do that after completing this exercise. So here sum is there, product is there. Suppose sum and product not given, zeros given. If zeros given, what you have to do? You have to find out first sum of them, product of them, then this formula. Understand? So what is the formula? A quadratic polynomial whose zeros are given will be k into x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Okay? But in this question, zeros not given, directly sum is given, product is given. This is sum, this is product. This is the formula. Okay. What is product? Yeah. How we complete the answer? Please see. X square minus 1 into x by 4 plus into minus 1. We can stop there, but we should simplify this. How that you see? Here by 4 is there, no? We make all the denominators by 4. By 1, by 4, by 1. Yes, into 4, because here 4 is there, into 4, into 4, into 4, into 4, 4, LCM is 4, so what I get? 4x square, yes, 4 ones are 4, I can take, you know, this 4 at one side, k by 4. See, this is the answer actually. This is the polynomial. Don't care this. Because what is k there? K is any real number. But for the convenient, what we do, you know, how can I cancel this part? This part is not important. This is answer. But how can I remove this part, you know? We just write taking k4. If I take k4, no, the 4 gets cancelled. Actually, k I can take any number. But you take k4 better, because if you take 4, here 4 is there, you take 4. If here 5 is there, you take 5, so that it gets cancelled. Therefore, what is the polynomial now, please? What is the answer? We get, taking k is equal to 4, we get, yes, what the polynomial is? This is the answer. Because when you are taking 4, no? 4 gets cancelled. This is the answer. Yes. Understand? The question is that find a polynomial. This is a polynomial. Sum of whose zeros 1 by 4, product of whose zeros minus 1. This is the textbook question number 2. Yeah, if it is not clear, you see more cases. Yeah, I am doing second bit now. Root 2 1 by 3. Yes. It means what is given here, this is sum, this is product. As per the question, what is sum of zeros? Root 2. What is product of zeros? 1 by 3. And we know the polynomial is, formula is there, no, direct. What is formula for polynomial? K into x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product. This is a formula. What is sum here? Root 2. Root 2x. What is product? 1 by 3. K x square by 1 minus root 2x by 1 by 3. Now what we do, because this is 3, we make all 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 3 3 3, LCM is 3. So 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. Now you take this 3 down, out, k by 3, you write like this. Now taking what? K3. If you take, because 3 is there, you take K3. Because 3 gets cancelled, this is the answer. What the polynomial is? Yes. The 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. This is the answer. Okay. Then third bit, fourth bit, you can do it. Third, fourth and sixth. I will do one last question. Fifth bit I am doing. This is the last question. By this the exercise will be finished. So find a quadratic. Other questions you can try. Third, fourth, sixth. So fifth bit I am doing. Here what is given? Sum of zeros is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. What is the product? 1 by 4. What is the polynomial? We know the formula. K into x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product is the formula. What is sum, please? Minus 1 by 4. What is product? 1 by 4. Yes. Last step. X square minus plus 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4. This is 4. This is 4. Make this also 4. Into 4 into 4 plus x by 4 plus 1 by 4 x into x. So 4 is LCM. 4x square plus x plus 1. Take this out. Yes, so taking K4, 4 cancel, this is the answer. What is the polynomial? Yes, so we completed the third exercise, second exercise. Next video we start the third exercise. So we stop now. Thank you.